the adventure is beginning. 2 years on from the Maldives, we're heading towards that part of the world again. Thailand, Southeast Asia, our first time. We're about to fly Emirates out of Stansted via Dubai. See you on the other side. Hey. So check this out. Our pilot and co-pilot and crew have just arrived, and I think his mum must have had to give him permission to leave home to come and fly us.
Because he's staying out late tonight, isn't he? He's about 9 years old.
So I said we would see you on the other side. It was a pretty good flight. We didn't have any problems. We're here in Nathon Beach, Phuket, Thailand, and we're about to head in for the first beer. And it's just starting to rain. Cheers.
Cheers.
Salute. So
happy holidays.
We've made it to Thailand and we've got our first beer, Singer, going down really nicely.
Very
ice
nicely.
cold. It's about 30 degrees. This place seems really quiet.
It's a beach village.
Everywhere was closing when we first arrived at 10 o'clock.
But this bar gave us beer, so we're alright.
The next morning when we woke, we found out that literally a few minutes away from Nathon Beach was Phuket Elephant Care. So we decided to go and check it out, and at the same time tick off one of Sarah's main reasons for coming to Thailand. Good morning, welcome to day 3 of our little Thai adventure. We've done our first bolt and we're now on the bus transferring us from Phuket up to the Khao Sok National Park. So 2.5 hour journey, nicely air conditioned, what's not to like?
Frizzy hair.
And frizzy hair. On arrival at the Hotel Khao Sok, we quickly settled in, immersed ourselves in the amazing nature, rented one of the hotel scooters to go and explore the local area, and made a new friend by the swimming pool. Next day we visited another of the elephant sanctuaries in Khao Sok. We specifically asked to go to one that didn't do the tourist elephant riding, and this one, the Win Elephant Sanctuary, certainly fitted that bill. The elephants seemed very happy, in great condition, well looked after, and Sarah's favourite, Trombone, certainly had a glint in his eye when we were swimming with him. So this was a really superb visit to the elephant sanctuary here in Khao Sok, and afterwards we were treated to this array of bananas and fresh fruit and mangoes and biscuits and a speciality thing. You know, it was just absolutely superb. We've had a fantastic time. As I say, the link will be below, the phone number will be below. If you're ever in the Khao Sok National Park area, I thoroughly recommend, if you want to do an elephant visit, come and do this one. Well, good morning. Welcome to another day here in Thailand, and this time we're heading up for an adventure in the jungle to stay overnight on the Cheiwlarn Lake. Prior to that, we've stopped at the Cheiwlarn market to pick up supplies, and then we're going to go to the Rakampachuna Dam. Well, this is a little bit like deja vu. Arriving on a jetty, we were greeted by singers and things which I missed. And pom-pom drums, not quite the same as Maldives, but not far off. And now we're going to walk along the jetty to find our room, just like we did a year or so ago. And we're in room 106. Here we go.
Wow, look at this.
Wee. After the serenity of exploring this amazing lake in our kayaks, we met with our fellow travellers and explorers for a beautiful Thai dinner. It wasn't long though before we needed our bed, so we retired to our floating chalet to dream about what adventures were in store for the next day. Good morning, it's day 2 here on the Cheiwlarn Lake. It's 6:30 a.m. We're up really nice and early. Got my cup of coffee and we're heading out onto the lake in one of the longboats for a nature exploratory trip along the edge of the forest and jungle areas, just to see what sort of wildlife we can come across.
gibbon. The next time, I think they come up to the banyan tree. Look at the tree on right side. There. Look that.
Oh,
yeah.
there, yes. Is that a gibbon again?
No, it's langoon or black monkey.
Black monkey.
Our time at the Cheiwlarn Lake was drawing to a close, but we just had time to visit the Phra Khai Pech cave system and enjoy a nice breakfast before heading back across the lake towards Khao Sok. Join us next time when our journey takes us to Krabi and Rayleigh Beach. Head out again on 2 wheels, explore remote islands and marvel at the crystal waters of the Andaman Sea and its amazing sunsets.